Welcome back to Solve Zone.
Pause the video and solve this. 36 divided by 3 times 2 minus 8 divided by 4. Most students see the bracket and start solving randomly. First they multiply 3 by 2, will get 6, then calculate 36 divided by 6 will get 6. 8 divided by 4 will get 2, then 6 minus 2 and the final answer is 4, that is wrong answer. Let's solve it correctly using the BODMAS rule. B. Brackets. O. Orders. D. Division. M. Multiplication. A for addition and S for subtraction. Most students, they ignore the left to right rule inside brackets. Multiplication and division have equal priority and should be solved from left to right. Let's see the correct steps. 36 divided by 3 equals 12. 12 times 2 minus 8 divided by 4. 12 times 2 is 24 and 8 divided by 4 is 2. 24 minus 2 equals 22. 22 is the correct answer. Follow for more BODMAS tricks and math puzzles.